like, I know my nerves are like, wow, this is happening. We're heading up to our honeymoon. What do you think, babe? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're having a great day, great night. Today is the wedding, so I woke up at 5:30 to get ready. And me and my voice is also very deep in the morning because I literally just woke up. So yeah, follow along. It's finally happening. So excited. Can't believe this happened. Like, you know, you wait your whole life for this and it's happening and it just feels crazy. So gonna get all ready and change up this whole face with makeup, you know, get all the face on, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna look getting ready, start drinking my smoothie. I had a rock spray yesterday, make sure I get some nutrients. Smoothies are great for that, so it should be good. So got some of the makeup done, started on hair, and then Sarah's gonna help me finish up eyes, so it should be really good and really fun. Okay, we're just doing makeup right now. Yep, we're just getting ready here. Sarah's gonna start doing my makeup, and we're on our way to the ceiling now. Logan, any last words?
No, my brain's not working at the moment.
It feels so surreal, and like, I know my nerves are like, wow, this is happening. But we're excited, and we'll be married very soon. So it should be a lot of fun. Well, babe, what just happened?
Got married.
We got married! Got married in student fraternity, and now we're gonna get food because I'm just a Herbie. My tummy hurts, and I need food in it. We're gonna get that. But we're married, we got a bunch of pictures done, and it is great. This is now my husband.
My cheeks are still cramped from smiling so much.
I know, they hurt. Like, I was like, oh my god, it'll work out for my lips. I mean, for my cheek. For my cheek. Wedding brain, everything. Blah. So we're gonna get some food, and then we'll just hang out, and it'll be great. So we'll have quite a few hours until the wedding. I mean, till the reception. So
What,
should be good.
6 hours?
Yeah, 6 hours. So yeah, 6 hours. He's right. He's good with math. I'm not. That's why I have him. Just be my calculator.
I'm not doing that for the rest of my life.
Just be a calculator. Okay, we're gonna eat. Bye. So we're just here. I just changed into this dress for luncheon because I don't want to have to keep doing that. But you gotta check these out. I got fuzzy slippers. I hate heels. I knew I want to be in them forever, and I was like, I want something fuzzy and comfy, and so I set in these. So we're gonna go out and eat because I'm starving and I'm getting hangry. I need food. And she's filming me. I don't know why. Okay, bye. Finally got my food, so I'm very, very happy. Hours in between our luncheon and then the reception. So me and Logan came back. We're just gonna finish packing up our cars because we're gonna do that right as we get home. I think just throw everything in and then go. But since we had this little break, we came back to do that, and then also just load the dishes because I finished it last night and I have a whole bunch of new stuff that I need to wash. So I guess that's what I do as a bride, is I'm doing the dishes, you know. It's great. That's what I'm doing here. There's just plenty of better things I could be doing, but I'm not. I'm here. And yeah. So we're gonna do that and head back. It's been so much fun. It's been surreal. I can't believe that this has happened, that we are married, and yeah, I like cried so much. It was just so good, and I've been like literally bawling. So I made sure to get makeup that would be okay with that. Yeah. made sure to do that so it would be easier. Sorry, I'm not trying to put away stuff at the same time. So I wouldn't run into that issue. So that's really good. And everything's holding up. But yeah, I'm gonna do dishes here, and then we'll head back in a couple of hours after we get everything packed up and ready. And I think we'll go see some family too that's in town. So go hang out with them, and then yeah, reception and going on our honeymoon, which is crazy, but you know, we're gonna have some fun. But, yep, I'm gonna finish doing this, and yeah. My gosh, look at this cake here. It's the first time seeing it. Whoa. Yes, on this vlog. I'm pretty excited. What's wrong? So we're back at the venue, and I got my smoothie because I got 2 smoothies yesterday. Did I tell you I had a smoothie for breakfast? Yes, I did.
You're gonna tell me that. I'm like, I went with you to get this.
We got one yesterday. I had one for breakfast and now one now. And gonna fix up all my hair, and then we're having the reception. So it should be great and really fun. Someone just showed. Look who showed up! It's Sarah! My bridesmaid. She's one of my bridesmaids, and this is my maid of honor. We're just having fun here.
If I were to stroke your face, you would be so angry right now.
I would. I'll stop.
Although I feel like, oh, your hand's cold. I thought it was wet. I was like,
No. But yeah, we're just gonna finish getting ready, or not finish. Just touch up some things, like with my hair. Some of these curls have gone flat, and then put the dress back on, and then we have the reception. Hey! Well, we're all done. We're heading up to our honeymoon. What do you think, babe?
I'm tired. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day out. I'm ready for sleep, to rest, and have a really relaxing weekend. So, we're married now, Mr. and Mrs. Webster.
How's that feel?
Feels really weird. I keep calling him my fiance. I'm like he's my husband. It's really weird. It's a weird change, but I'll get used to it. It'll be great. So, yeah, hope you guys like this and like seeing our wedding day. Most of it I feel like just been in the car, but yep. All right, have a great day, great night. God bless.